Hi, this is so cliche. Hi guys, welcome to my empty apartment. Yeah guys, so finally we have an apartment. I'm super excited for this. You guys already know about this in case you missed my last video. If you did, I'm going to leave like the link, so kindly go check it out before you actually watch this one. You have to see that one so that you guys know the whole process before we got here. So anyways, when we were picking an apartment, when I say we, I mean my partner and we considered three important things. The first one we considered was I wanted to stay very close to my school. Not really very close to my school, but I didn't want to have to do like 2 hours 3 hours journey from, guys, I'm so sorry about the echo, it's empty, it's new, so I'm sorry. Anyways, I didn't want to do like the whole 3 hours 2 hours journey from my apartment to my school. So we kept on saying that okay, it needs to be very close to my school, at least maybe 45 minutes or 50 minutes or 30 minutes. And I'm happy because this is very perfect for me. If I'm supposed to use an Uber to school, it's like just 30 minutes. Or if I'm taking like the public transport and all, it's like 45 minutes. So yeah, it's actually very, very okay for me. Second thing we considered was space and light. Because UK houses are not that spacious like that, but honestly this is actually very okay. The spaces, like the rooms and everything, they're very okay, and the lighting in this apartment is perfect. See, the weather keeps fluctuating. Before it was sunny, now it looks like it wants to rain. Assuming you actually see this place when the sun is out, like it is beautiful. But guys, UK weather, you can never predict it. It was really sunny before and now it looks like it wants to rain. And the last thing we considered was we wanted somewhere that we could call like our home, and that's why we decided to look for unfurnished apartment and not a furnished apartment. I think I've said this several times, I've stayed in furnished apartments for the longest time, and I've always wanted to stay in like an unfurnished apartment so that I can make it my own space, you know, make it like very, very comfortable for the two of us, and just put in our stuff, like things that we've always wanted to have in our apartment. We can finally do that here. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment in London, and you are officially welcome to my apartment. So let's start with the living room. So once you come inside, no, let's not start with the living room because I forgot that there's actually a room behind this camera. So once you get into the apartment, the first room you're seeing is actually the living room, but the one behind this camera is more like, I don't know, is it like a storeroom or something? Yeah, so our things are actually here, our bags, everything, they're here because this is like the only place we could put it, and we haven't sorted out anything yet at all. It's quite spacious. As you can see, all our things are here, and yeah, that's it basically. And I think I'm going to leave it that way, like just for putting our bags, and maybe turn it into a coat room or something, I don't know. But yeah, so from there we come into the living room, and this is our living room. It is so beautiful. Can you guys see the lights coming in? Like, so we have 2 windows here and here, and it's perfect. It's beautiful. I love it so much. So I feel like this is literally the whole living room. Yeah, so I feel like this is where I want to put the couch, sofa. I don't know, I always call it couch, but some people say it's called sofa, but this is where I want to put the sofa, the couch, whatever. And this is where the TV is going to be, and this is where the dining table, I think I want to put like a very small mini dining table here. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh Jesus, I can't wait. So anyways, this is basically the whole living room. I don't know if I've mentioned this several times, not like I don't know. This building is new, so like once you enter you can smell the fresh paint, like they just finished. So it's so new, and I love apartments like this. I love being the first person to move into an apartment. Yeah, I love it because everything is fresh, everything is new, like, you know. So after that we have the kitchen here. This is an open kitchen, of course. I love the size of this kitchen. I feel like I want to have like a very mini movable kitchen island. I love kitchen islands so much. Like, I don't know, I'm just that's me, that's my own taste. I feel like when there's no island in an open kitchen, it's very empty to me. And this is an open kitchen, and you guys know those like movable islands that are very small that you could just put here and just have like a flower vase here. I mean, when I'm done with the sink, cooking and everything, I always want to like relax my hand or do like this or sit down somewhere, and I can't do that. So I think I might consider getting like a very small island. But anyways, this is the kitchen. Love it, love the setting, love the color. The fridge is here, and we have a microwave here, cabinets everywhere, cooker. There's also a washing machine here. You guys can see that. Literally, they still have all these things. Just to show you how new this place is. I had to remove the one that was on the microwave here earlier on. Oh, there's also a dishwasher here. So like new, brand new. Yeah, then this is the sink. Obviously, love the sink. I love, guys, this kitchen is beautiful. Can you guys see the light? Oh yeah, the sun is coming out again. See, this UK weather is really weird because the sun is coming out again. That's all I can say. And very soon the sun will go back in and it becomes very gloomy all over again. I love how bright this place is. Like it's going to be very good for my videos, my TikToks, my reels. Everything I want to do in this kitchen is going to be perfect. Trust me, trust your girl. So anyways, that's it for the living room and the kitchen and the dining. Oh yeah, you guys can see this space very well. This is where I said I'm going to put like a very small dining table here, and I have things that I want to put here also. It's going to be superb, don't worry. So leaving the living room, ooh. just so you know guys, Michael is the one behind the camera. It's been a while he did something like this for me. It's been very long. I have the bath and the toilet. Before we go in here guys, can you just appreciate how long this corridor is? This is the first thing that made me fall in love with this particular unit, because they had other units that were still empty, and this unit, they had like 2 beds, 3 beds, 1 bed. Very late, they had already taken all the 3 bedrooms, but the remaining 2 bedrooms, they had like 2 types of 2 bedrooms. This unit has like a very long ass corridor, as you guys can see from here, which is what I love. There was another unit that's also like a 2-bedroom apartment, but had no corridor. Like once you enter, you've seen the whole house. Like once you entered, you've seen one room, you've seen the kitchen, and that's it. And I was like, nah, not for me. But you see this one, the corridor, and has like different rooms, different doors as you keep going. So here is the toilet and the bathroom. 1 bath, 1 toilet. I'm not a bathtub girl. I love shower, and unfortunately you can't have it all in this life. You have some and you lose some, and this is a bathtub which I'm not really a fan of, but there's nothing I can do about that. It's still not bad at the end of the day. But yeah, this is the bathtub. This is what it looks like. Then this is the toilet, this is the sink. The only problem I have with this sink is that there is no cabinet on there, but I plan on getting a cabinet jar to put here and all. And this is actually very nice, guys. This mirror is wide. I love this mirror. This was the first thing I loved about this bathroom, like from here to here. And obviously I'm a mirror girl, obviously. So yeah, that's the bathroom, guys. There's something I noticed about UK homes which is just weird, is the fact that even if it's like a 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, you're having 1 bath and you're having 1 toilet. And I'm like, is it like a UK thing? I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. When we were searching for apartments, all the apartments we were seeing, like 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, we were always seeing like 1 bath, 1 toilet, 1 bath, 1 toilet. So I'm like, everybody in the house is supposed to share 1 bath and 1 toilet. That's just very weird for me. I don't know if it's a UK thing, but that's what we noticed when we were doing like searching for apartments and all. Maybe I'm just the sports one who is used to each room having their own toilet and bathroom. Probably, I don't know, maybe I'm the sports one, but I'm not just used to like a 2-bed or a 3-bed having to share 1 bathroom and 1 toilet. And that's exactly how this apartment looks like. You guys can see there's a heater here. Yeah, then there's a telephone to see anyone that is calling you from downstairs or something like that. Yeah, so coming in here, we have the first room. Remember, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the smallest room in this whole apartment, and I'm converting this place into my closet, guys. So I plan on turning this space into closet, beauty room, office, everything. This is basically my space. This place is my space. Okay, don't worry, I didn't bully Michael. Okay, he does not have issues with it. He does not care. So this is basically going to be my closet space. I plan on getting all the wardrobes and everything needed, and I plan on using this place as like a makeup space, like a mirror, makeup drawer and everything, and put some things here. And don't worry, you guys may not understand the vision right now till I'm done. The vision might not be clear till I'm done, but for now, this is the smallest room. And yeah, so it's basically my closet, guys. Can you guys see the sun? Like exactly what I was saying. So yeah, so after this room, then this is the main room. This is the master's bedroom. Yeah, simple. This is our simple master bedroom. So anyways, the bed, the mattress, everything is gonna come this way. Then I plan on introducing some other things into the room and just making it into our own space. Trust me, guys, it's going to be absolutely beautiful at the end of the day. All the wardrobes are here. Just so you know, this is not for me. I'm not using this for anything. This is obviously going to be for Michael, because I already have like a whole room that I'm converting into my own closet space. So obviously this is not my stuff and all. Then guys, we have like a very beautiful long ass terrace. Like when I mean long, I mean long. The terrace stretches from this bedroom all the way to the living room, or to the toilet. That's how long it is. I don't want to go outside because of privacy, security and all, but it's very nice, like very, very nice. So you have access to it from the master bedroom and not from the living room or anything. So if I want to go outside, I just use this place and I go outside and enjoy the view and everything. Yeah, that's the apartment, guys. That's it, guys. So I'm glad that you guys are seeing this empty apartment tour, because I don't think that I might do like a furnished apartment tour. I don't know yet, never say never. Maybe because I feel like I'm going to be extremely busy by then, and it's actually not easy to do furnished. You guys know that doing like an empty apartment tour is way easier than doing like furnished, where you have to like get everything in place and all that. So no, but I feel like I'm going to carry you guys along in the furnishing process, like the living room, bedroom, bathroom, closet, entryway, like every single thing. I'm going to carry you guys along, because believe me, I'm ready for that, for so many things, like so many things. Like in my next video, you guys will see that one. I've ordered for a lot of things, and I should be getting them this week. The couch should be coming in this week, the bed should be coming in this week, and some other things that are very, very important, kitchen stuff and all of that. But yeah, I'm just really excited that finally we've gotten the apartment. Finally we're here. And the craziest is that I actually did manifest this apartment, because immediately I saw it, I was like, God, I really want this apartment. And I didn't put my mind to it after that, and that was it. Then we now got a call from the agent saying that we've been accepted, and yeah, that's it. I don't want to talk too much, for people will yab me and say that I talk too much again. So guys, this is the corridor, as you can see. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying till this point. Like, you know, you guys have seen the journey from moving to London to looking for apartments, and now we finally have our own apartment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.